In a world where safety is not an option but a necessity, International Safety Solutions stands apart. We don't just teach safety, we build leaders who live it. Before ISS, students would pay for certificates and never truly experience the field. But we changed that. At ISS, real learning begins with industrial visits, giving students first-hand exposure to the real-time hazards, processes, and controls. Whatever we study in class, you get the opportunity to perform it in the industry. We shape professionals from every angle, from CV building, email writing, interview preparation to communication, dressing, and confidence development. Our students are ready for the real world. Our students undergo hands-on training in emergency response procedures with mock drills, fire detection and suppression systems, PPE usage and application. They don't just read SOPs, they practice them. At ISS, students are trained in real industry documentation, including method statements, risk assessments, incident investigation, EHS plans and policies, gap analysis techniques, strong safety observation and reporting using techniques they don't just hear about, they create it, present it, and defend it. Just like in the field, our students are now working in top industries across Pakistan and abroad. Our strong industrial linkages open doors to internships, job opportunities, and on-site learning. From University of Lahore, Guard Filters, Nishat Mills, Sapphire, ISDP, CCL, Cotton Web to Brighto, AR, Yusuf Kohinoor, Packages Mall, Dawn Bread, AM International, Zero Energy, Evercare, and Alimdar Foundation. Over 100 plus clients trust ISS for safety solutions and trained personnel. Our alumni don't just have certificates, they have stories because they have lived the process, handled safety on the ground, and shown leadership where it matters. We don't produce managers, we produce leaders, and leaders lead by example. Join the movement, be a part of something bigger. International Safety Solution, empowering the future of safety. To kickstart your safety journey, Pakistan's leading practical learning platform. Register now. Call us at 0315 3277 658.